Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase UEFA Eurostar Player 2024 in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. If you want to purchase the UEFA Eurostar Player program in this game, it's very easy. Just open the market feature here. If you're a new player, you cannot use this transfer market yet. You have to level up to open this feature. So after you open this feature, transfer market, you can tap search, tap the program, and choose UEFA Euro 2024. Save and search. So this is all the list. Only display the first 100 search results of this UEFA Euro 2024 players. And also you can make filters. Maybe you don't have, or you want a specific position here. You're looking for a striker with the OVR range between 94 and 96, and then search. So this is the position and OVR that already filtered. And also you can filter by the value here. Try to looking for the cheapest one here. You can do it. For example, you got Harry Kane with only 11 million, but he is not star player. He just best player. If you see the blue frame, the star player will be displayed by the flag. For example, Olivier Giroud, there's a flag, France flag behind the pick. Also Rasmus Højlund, Danish flag, Denmark flag on the a picture, and he is part of UEFA Euro 2024 star player. So please feel to try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.